Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 30th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Sherwin-Williams. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Sherwin-Williams has just released their 2024 year-end and fourth quarter financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record net sales to impressive earnings growth.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Sherwin-Williams reported a record net sales of $23.10 billion for the year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by the paint stores group, which saw a 1.7% increase in net sales from stores open more than 12 months. This was complemented by strategic price increases and volume growth in key segments like residential repaint and new residential projects.
And how about profitability?
Profitability was strong, with a gross margin expansion to 48.5%. The adjusted diluted earnings per share for the fourth quarter came in at $2.09, beating the analyst forecast of $2.07. This reflects a 15.5% increase from the previous year, showcasing effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Segment performance analysis. John, can you break down the performance across Sherwin-Williams' different segments?
Certainly. The Paint Stores Group led the charge with $3.4 billion in sales, a 3.4% increase, driven by price hikes and volume growth. The Consumer Brands Group faced a 4.3% decline in sales, largely due to unfavorable foreign currency impacts. Meanwhile, the Performance Coatings Group saw a slight dip in sales to $1.59 billion, but managed to improve its segment profit margin.
How significant was the foreign currency impact?
Foreign currency translation negatively impacted sales by 1.3%, particularly affecting the Consumer Brands and Performance Coatings groups. However, Sherwin-Williams managed to offset some of these challenges through strategic pricing and cost controls.
Cash flow and shareholder returns. Let's talk about cash flow and how Sherwin-Williams is rewarding its shareholders.
Sherwin-Williams generated a robust $3.15 billion in net operating cash for the year. They returned $2.46 billion to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases, buying back 5.2 million shares. They still have authorization to purchase an additional 34.4 million shares, indicating a strong commitment to shareholder value.
That's impressive. How does this position them for future growth?
With such strong cash flow and a disciplined approach to capital allocation, Sherwin-Williams is well positioned to invest in growth opportunities while continuing to return value to shareholders.
Future outlook and strategic initiatives. Looking ahead, what can we expect from Sherwin-Williams in 2025?
The company has set an adjusted EPS guidance range of $11.65 to $12.05 for 2025, reflecting continued growth. They are focusing on above-market growth opportunities, particularly in the Paint Stores Group, and are investing in talent, digitization, and sustainability to drive future success.
Are there any challenges on the horizon?
Yes, Sherwin-Williams anticipates demand softness in several end markets, potentially extending into 2026. However, they are confident in their strategy to leverage growth investments and unique assets to navigate these challenges effectively.
Key takeaways. In summary, Sherwin-Williams has delivered a strong performance with record revenue and earnings growth. Their strategic initiatives and robust cash flow position them well for future growth despite some market challenges. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Sherwin-Williams' impressive results and outlook.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Sherwin-Williams' performance in the comments below.